Hello everyone. In this tutorial, we will learn how to master subitems in Monday.com. If you're managing complex projects or tasks, mastering subitems can be a game changer. Subitems allow you to break down large tasks into more manageable pieces, ensuring you can track every detail efficiently. With PMN Online, we're going to dive deep into how you can leverage this feature to enhance your project management skills. Before we dig into the nitty-gritty, make sure you're logged into your Monday.com account. If it's your first time using this platform, you'll need to click on the Get Started option and follow the on-screen prompts to set up your account. It's straightforward, and soon you'll be all set to explore the world of subitems. So what exactly are subitems in Monday.com? Think of them as tasks nested under a larger parent task. They provide a way to manage smaller components that contribute to the completion of the main item. For instance, if your main task is launch marketing campaign, subitems could include design graphics, write copy, and schedule social media posts. Let's walk through how to add subitems. Start by selecting a task in your workspace. You'll notice a small plus icon next to it. Clicking this icon allows you to add a subitem. Alternatively, you can right-click on the main task and select Add Subitem. This feature is great for breaking down tasks, as it lets you create detailed tracking for each segment of your project. Once you've created a subitem, you can assign it to specific team members. Click on the subitem, and you'll see options to add owners or collaborators. This is particularly useful if you're working with a team, as it ensures everyone knows who's responsible for what. Customizing your subitems is another powerful feature. You have the option to add various columns, such as status, priority, or due date, to each subitem. For example, if you want to track the status, you can choose labels like In Progress, Stuck, or Completed. These visual cues can help you quickly assess where each part of your project stands. Another great capability is the ability to add updates or notes directly to a subitem. You can type out details, upload files, or even add GIFs for a bit of flair. This flexibility allows you to keep all relevant information in one place, making it easy to communicate with your team. If you're dealing with large projects, filtering and sorting options become invaluable. You can filter subitems by status, owner, or any other category, allowing you to focus on specific aspects without getting overwhelmed by the entire project. Grouping subitems can also help you visualize the workflow more effectively. Now let's talk about integrating subitems with other tools in Monday.com. You can connect boards, link files, and mirror progress across different boards. This connectivity can streamline your workflow by keeping all related information accessible from one place. Additionally, Monday.com allows you to aggregate data from subitems to the parent item level. This means you can get an overview of time spent or progress made, which is crucial for planning and resource allocation. If you're working on tasks with multiple stages or dependencies, this feature can significantly enhance your ability to manage projects efficiently. Adding new members to your project is simple. You can invite collaborators by email and assign them roles based on their responsibilities. This ensures everyone is on the same page and can contribute effectively to the project. In case you run into any challenges while working with subitems, Monday.com offers robust support options. You can access the Help section by clicking the question mark icon at the top right corner of your screen. There, you can type in your query or use the contact options to get personalized assistance. Hopefully, this guide helped you easily master how to master subitems in Monday.com. If it did, please let us know down in the comment section below. If you want more videos like this, subscribe to our channel PMN Online.